Hi, I'm Suresh Menon and welcome to my channel Positivity and Abundance. What does physics have to do with money? Everything, absolutely everything. What I am sharing with you here today belongs to the realm of metaphysics, the modern theme that deals with money bordering on spirituality. You might not believe in this, but there is a persistent idea that suggests we attract things into our lives based on our thoughts. The law of attraction comes to mind, or the earlier think and grow rich. These ideas stick in our heads because they suggest something is going on, something big. When we become conscious of reality, we understand there is another dimension to reality, one we don't normally have access to, but one that every enlightened being on this world insists we can find if we look long enough. You could very well say we believe in magic. Of course, not just magic, miracles. And let me tell you that this will bring you out of the daily routine of human existence to work hard for your daily bread. There is an entire branch of physics that deals with ideas so far-flung, they might as well be magic. Quantum physics explains the magic of matter appearing and disappearing, where the simple act of observation directly affects the flux between energy and matter. There is something going on. We are only now working to discover the shape of the universe that arises when we look. Adjusting your individual resonant frequency to money is one of the most important necessities. In the quantum universe, we accept observation alters reality. Okay? How does this apply to money? First, I would ask you, what is money? Is it paper and metal? A government sanctioned IOU note? Or is it a store of value? It's all of these, but look deeper. What is its purpose? What are the laws concerning money? Is it worthwhile to spend your life force to pursue paper and metal? Surely not. I am sure you will agree. Whatever the reason we came to life, accumulating paper and metal was not one of them. What did you come to earth to do? Write a novel, dance, sing, raise a family? There's not one among us who doesn't have a dream or goal or a vision of what the perfect world looks like for us. Money may be needed, but of itself, it's not the thing that gets us out of bed. Not the thing that you'd willingly spend your life doing. It comes with your goal. It's not the goal. Agreed? If you ask me, I might say I came to life to sit and chat with you like here at this time and place. I can think of little else I'd rather do than exchange what's in my head for what is in yours. If I do it well, money will come from wherever it is at the moment. But that's not why I do what I do. See the difference? A goal is what's needed for magic to happen, not the pursuit of money. The philosopher Alan Watts once brilliantly asked, if money were no object, what would you do? Arising out of this comes the first spiritual law of money. The first law, don't pursue money. Money is potential energy in physics. It has the power that can be directed toward realizing your goals, yes, but it isn't a goal. You can get money from many different sources. A job, a side hustle, some creative work. If money is your objective, you will spend your whole life accumulating it from different places, but you can never find satisfaction with it. Allow money to come to you, but for your sake, don't make it the point and purpose of your existence. The second rule, set goals. Every soul comes to life on its own journey. Spend time to figure out what makes your spirit soar and direct your energy there. This is the second spiritual law of money. Money accompanies but cannot replace your goals. Clarify your objectives, then out of your desires, take action. Take the first step. Move in the direction of your ambitions. You already have the power to make them come true. Thoughts become things. Rule number 3, get out of the way. In any act of creation, there's a process. Think of your favorite restaurant. Before a single brick was laid, someone imagined what it would look like, right? They planned it out, shared their vision, then took action. The creative map is always the same: thought, word, and deed. Thought energy is filtered through the human consciousness to give it direction. Deliberate action is taken to transmute thought energy into physical reality. Laid out like this, you can see the magic. Thoughts become things. But what happens if two thought processes are at odds with each other? Let's say you imagine your life's purpose. You contemplated it, found the feeling space of it, where you strongly resonate with it, and you have taken your first step. In your mind, you are living that life. You envision and embody how it looks, how it feels. Great. The feeling is just great. Great in theory, right? But in real life, it isn't like that. Don't you know that better? You are just a schlub, grinding yourself into a dirt nap somewhere down the road. You don't deserve that world of your dreams. Only rich people live that kind of life. Now, this is the other thought. Stop now, right there. You have two thoughts now at odds with each other. Both have creative power, but they cancel each other. You got in your own way. Get it? You got in your own way. The singular difference between ourselves and spiritual masters is that we are unfocused, unpredictable. Have you ever programmed a car radio? Once you hit scan, the radio scrubs across the frequencies you hear. You hear bits and pieces of all available channels. That's what our thoughts are like. They run away. They pick up bits and pieces of everything around. Arising out of mixed thoughts, we live mixed lives. Some good and some bad. But if you ever listen to a spiritual master, they are single-minded, consistent with their message, predictable in their purpose. That's what makes them masters. They picked a frequency and stuck to it. Get out of your own way. Pick a station and leave your mental radio tuned to it. And take that first step. Leave the rest to the powers that made us and promised us we could make our lives what we want them to be. It gets better with practice. But I don't have money, you may say. I'm in so much debt. I'm worried. I can't sleep. I can't relax. It's killing me. Thoughts go out into this creative space, find their matching frequencies. In this case, what is it? Worry, debt, anxiety. And they begin to materialize into your physical world. You get what you focus upon. I know it's hard, very hard not to worry. But there's a way out. Listen carefully. Start with gratitude. What do you already have? You are alive. You have tomorrow. You have knowledge right here. In these words, by the way, you have potential and possibilities. Give thanks for what you already have. Maybe a family, maybe a chair to sit on. You have friends with you. Someone loves you. Maybe you have a pet, a priest. Gather yourself into the good things you already have and live there. Take strength from the blessings you already possess, and then when you are ready to move forward, set your sights on the life you want to live. Trust the universe. It wants to help. It's waiting for you to take that first step. What do you have to lose? Nothing. Now, this was a short intro into something very, very huge, metaphysics, designed to trigger a few thoughts in you. Over the next few videos, I hope to provide you with tips and tricks on how you can set the flow of wealth and money towards you and me too. You can become a money magnet. Keep in touch with me, subscribe please if you are not yet a subscriber, and please do share and leave a comment below the video. I'm Suresh Menon, signing off for now. Meet you very, very soon with another video. Bye-bye.